friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. Today's video is a comparison video between two popular choco chip cookies. Firstly, it is the Parle Platina Hide and Seek choco chip cookie, and the second one we are going to compare it with is with the Britannia Tiger Crunch choco chip cookie. So let's see what are the similarities and which one is better and more about the same. Like, let's compare the two chocolate chip cookies. So guys, here we have the hide and seek from Parle, and this is the Tiger Crunch from Britannia. Starting off, let's compare the packaging of both the biscuits. So Parle Platina has used a dark purple color, like a deep purple, in its packaging, which is very much appealing and looks very much luxurious and uh, extravagant. Uh, First of all, they have the Parle Platina branding here, and then the biscuit branding of hide and seek. Along with that, they have mentioned that there's 20 grams extra, which is the offer that they are given with it. Then we can see they have shown one of their biscuits here, the Parle Hide and Seek biscuit here, and then a bar of chocolates. So the packaging feels very premium here from Parle. Also, the colors used, the deep purple color used, is more appealing to the adult audience or the grown-up audience than children. Whereas comparing it to the Britannia Tiger Crunch, coming to their packaging, it is again purple in color but a lighter shade of purple. Then they have the Britannia branding right here, and then the Tiger Crunch biscuit branding here. They also have an image of their biscuit on the cover with a few choco chips around it, and then the 25% free offer. So looking at the packaging, definitely Parle Platina Hide and Seek packaging looks more premium and appealing to the grown-up audience, whereas the Britannia Tiger Crunch chocolate chip cookie, the packaging feels more childish and it might be more like targeting the children or the younger audience. So both of these are like targeting different audience probably, because hide and seek is definitely targeting the adult audience with the type of colors they have used and stuff. Moving on, the quality of the paper used is more or less similar for both. Still, hide and seek's packaging paper has a more premium feel than the Britannia Tiger Crunch. Moving on to the price of the packs. So this is priced at rupees 30 for 120 grams. The Parle Hide and Seek is priced at rupees 30 for 120 grams. So you can see the price here, rupees 30 for 100 grams plus 20 grams extra. That's 120 grams for 30 bucks. And the Britannia Tiger Crunch chocolate chip cookie is priced at rupees 10 for 80 grams. So 64, you can see the 64 grams plus 16 grams free, which is 80 grams. So definitely value for money is the Britannia Tiger Crunch, which is cheaper, which is rupees 10 for 80 grams as compared to Parle Hide and Seek, which is rupees 30 for 120 grams. So even if you would have to buy a 120 gram of Tiger Crunch, that would cost you rupees 15 as per their pricing. So yeah, so that was about the pricing of the products. Hide and Seek by Parle is priced at a premium rate, whereas Tiger Crunch is priced as a normal biscuit range, which is rupees 10. So that was about the pricing of the product. Moving on, let's go ahead and unwrap these products and look at the biscuit itself and try comparing the biscuits to each other. Here we have unwrapped the product and we have placed both the biscuits side by side. On my left is the Parle Platina Hide and Seek biscuit, and on my right is the Britannia Tiger Crunch biscuit. So starting off with the Parle Platina Hide and Seek biscuit, they have straight lines in design going across the biscuit, slanted lines across the biscuit, and the choco chips are very much visible from the top side as well, from the rear side. So you can see the amount of choco chips per biscuit here, which are there, are quite a bit in the Parle Platina hide and seek. So I'm just going to keep one biscuit here, and moving on, the finish of the biscuit also, if you see, is much more, like the size of the biscuit is also quite big compared to the other one here, whereas this is a Britannia Tiger choco chip, Tiger Crunch choco chip biscuit, and this has a tiger stripes on it. And if I try to notice that the choco chips are barely visible from the top side, but from the rear you can see that there are enough choco chips in it as well. But comparatively, like if we compare the two of them, definitely Parle wins in the amount of choco chips per biscuit here. Parle hide and seek definitely premium and is loaded, much more loaded with choco chips than the Britannia Tiger Crunch. So this is a Parle hide and seek, and this was the Britannia Tiger Crunch choco chip biscuit. Okay, going head to head, this biscuit is much thicker in size, much bigger in size compared to the Tiger Crunch. So you can definitely see the size difference. So you can see the size difference between the two. Clearly bigger biscuit you get with the hide and seek, and come to the sides also, the size also much bigger and lot more choco chips than your Britannia Crunch choco chip biscuit. Moving on, we'll be doing the taste test, see which one tastes better. So join me for that. For the taste test, what we are going to do is I'm going to eat one biscuit each of the Parle Platina hide and seek and the Britannia Tiger Crunch choco chip biscuit, and I'm going to see what is the difference I feel between the two, like how do they differ in taste, or are they similar in taste. So let's go ahead, let's start with the Parle Platina hide and seek. So here's the Parle Platina hide and seek, and you can see it's loaded with chocolate chips. Yum. So I'm going to try this one first. So there are chocolate chips in every bite. I can feel the chocolate chips filled with in every bite, and there's a biscuit has a flavor of chocolate as well. Rich chocolatey flavor it has. Truly delicious. This is delicious. It has a sweet and bitter taste of chocolate. The hide and seek has a sweet and bitter taste of chocolate that comes in your mouth when you take a bite of the chocolate chip along with the biscuit. And now we are going to taste the Britannia Tiger Crunch chocolate chip biscuit. I can hardly see any chocolate chips on the front side, but there are chocolate chips here when you look at it from behind. So okay, I'm going to take a bite from the chocolate chip end itself. So you can clearly feel the difference between the two biscuits when you have them together. The Britannia Tiger Crunch chocolate chip biscuit has more of a sugary taste when you eat it. You don't get that much of the pure chocolate bitterness. But hide and seek is definitely gives you a premium feel when you eat it. Very much different. People who love dark chocolate and chocolates will enjoy the hide and seek more than the Tiger Crunch here. So Tiger Crunch is, like you can say, a substandard to what hide and seek is, but definitely not a bad try from Britannia to match up to hide and seek. So Yeah, I would say a bit more of cocoa in the biscuit and a few more chocolate chips would definitely get them matching standards with the Parle Platina hide and seek. So definitely in price, Tiger Crunch wins it. But when it comes to the taste of the biscuit and the quality of the biscuit, it has definitely Parle takes the game. The Parle Platina hide and seek tastes much better, much premium than the Britannia Tiger Crunch, definitely. So this was my review of the product. Let me know if you all have tried the biscuit. Let me know which one do you all like in the comments below. If you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you all want to watch more such amazing comparison videos and reviews of new biscuits, go and subscribe to my channel.